Aluminum lockbox automatic CNC processing machine. Aluminum lock shell automatic machine, our customer factory. This is China's biggest hardware manufacturer. Bought more than 10 sets aluminum hardware automatic machines from us. Aluminum corner automatic CNC machine. Photovoltaic automatic machine customization. Industrial aluminum profile deprocessing machine. Aluminum corner automatic processing machine. Hardware hole drilling, tapping and cutting machine. Mullion corner automatic machine. Hinge automatic processing machine. Greenhouse aluminum CNC drilling tapping cutting machine. Aluminum corner connector cutting saw. Aluminum hardware processing machine. Industrial aluminum parts processing machine.